Hello my dear friends, I've picked up another bottle of date for men and I have decided to let you know. Right now when I'm recording this video, this fragrance can be found on Amazon and I paid £85. And yes, finally £85 is the right price for date for men. Also I picked up this 2019 batch since he launched it, and after that he have decided to triple the price, and this was bad, but the same I paid about £80 in 2019. And between me and you, I don't hate Jeremy fragrance. I hate actually no one. So I believe hate is quite bad. As usually, take this video as an entertainment. And yes, we can agree or disagree on certain things. And I can disagree with what he's doing right now, with what kind of fragrances he promotes. But Date for Men is good. And the only reason why I have Date for Men, the old batch, is because I stopped using it. I tried to save it, and that's why I still have it, because this fragrance smells amazing. I like it. It performs. And also, two ladies were mad about this fragrance, and that's the truth. And as a difference, I did notice the old batch, let's say, of Date for Men is saying Eau de Parfum, while the new batch, I don't have the box for the old one, but the new box, the new bottle is having the Extrait de Parfum concentration. And between me and you, I couldn't feel too much of that difference between the old one and the new one. And let's spray the old one. Let's spray the new one. As a difference in the opening, the new one is sweeter. It's sweeter, it's fruitier, which is kind of normal because with the time the fruity, the top notes, the fruitiness is kind of fading away. These are, 95% the same. As I said, as a difference, the new one is slightly sweeter and fruitier, but it's a nuance there. And we have this opening. It's sweet, fruity, juniper berries, orange, this thing which smells lovely. Jeremy fragrance is saying it's having real wood right here, and I couldn't pick up too much of that wood, that agar wood, or I couldn't pick up too much. I could pick up a lot of vetiver, but the vetiver is very well made. So the vetiver note in this fragrance is one of my favorite ever done. So if you love the vetiver note, you must put your nose on this fragrance because it's very well made. Also, as a difference, I'm feeling the new Date for Men is having a slightly more cardamom, let's say. It's a bit more aromatic sweet, and the old one is slightly, let's say, fresher, less sweet than the old one, and it's having more vetiver. But again, this is just a nuance. These are 95% the same. And Date for Men is my favorite fragrance from Jeremy as far as I tested so far. And I had Office for Men, I had 3 bottles. I had Most Masculine, and also I had Black Tie. But Date for Men has left in my collection, and also Club for Men. But again, don't pay full price for these fragrances. I paid for Club for Men about £90, which is the right price, and 85 for Date, which is again the right price. And yes, for £85, this is a great fragrance. And also it's made by Alberto Morillas. And also Jeremy fragrance said the oils are having a much better quality in this fragrance, double the price from Office for Men. And yes, I can feel this. This is very well made. Yes, so no hate for Jeremy fragrance. I just love Date for Men. Also Club for Men, that's why it's still in my collection. This is a much more floral and balsamic take of the Le Mal, Ultra Mal DNA. And this is a much more woody, fruity, bright take of the Ultra Mal DNA. So yes, we cannot go wrong with this DNA. And I love the Le Mal DNA. I have the Le Mal Fresh in my collection, which I consider it maybe the best, again for my taste. And this is one of them. This is very well made. The longevity is great. It's lasting minimum 10 hours. It's lasting all day. and also the projection is great. The compliment factor is great. Everything about this fragrance is. And as I said, this fragrance is very, very good. It opens up fruity, citrusy, orange, blackcurrant, bergamot, a bit of a lemon. It's aromatic. We have cardamom, but also it's balanced with patchouli. And we have vetiver. It smells great. I still haven't tested his newest fragrance, Man, but maybe in the future when the price goes down, because right now he's trying to make again another fortune, which again I'm not hating him, but I want to buy that fragrance again on offer, and I'll do it sooner or later. Thank you very much, guys. Until next time, take care of you. Bye bye.